and these are the Kid Vision Kids, and we're here today to find out about bicycles.
Well, you're in the right spot. My name is Thomas. This is Diego. We own Bike Nerds. Why don't you guys come in and check it out?
What do you do here at the bike shop?
Well, we do all kinds of things. We do sales, we do rentals, but my favorite thing is doing bike repairs.
Oh, I love bike repairs. That means you get to use tools.
Yeah.
What kind of bike repairs do you do?
Our most common repair is a flat repair.
Oh, what's wrong with this bike?
This one has a flat.
Aha.
Yeah.
You guys want to help them fix it? What kind of tools are we going to use?
We'll need a couple tools. We have them over here.
Okay.
The most important for changing a tire is called a tire lever. We'll take the tire lever, we stick it under the edge of the tire.
So see how it's working? See, it's a lever, so a lever means that it's going to lift something up.
So we stick
A lever's
it under
lift.
the tire.
Oh, look, he's
There
doing
we
it.
go. Perfect.
Wow.
Now you gotta go all the way around.
Is it a mechanic? Do you call a repairman a mechanic?
A bicycle mechanic.
Bicycle mechanic. So right now you're being a bicycle mechanic.
And now you see, you have the tire off the rim.
Okay.
So now,
All this.
that's the tube. That's what actually holds the air. So can you pull that out for me, please?
Wow, did you know there was a tube inside the tire?
No.
And then the final part is the valve right here. You just have to squeeze the tire back so we can pull it right out. There.
Oh, wow, what is it?
Perfect.
Let's look at that.
That's the valve.
The valve. And
The
what do you
valve.
think the valve works for?
To put all of the air inside.
Exactly.
Okay, so now what is the next part of fixing the flat tires?
Okay, I'm gonna need you guys to
Oh, we
help
have
me
a new
put some air
tube.
in the tube.
Now you have to pump.
Okay.
Ooh.
See, as you pump, it's getting some air into it.
After pumping a little bit of air into the inner tube to give it shape, put it back in the tire. You believe that? You're changing the tire. Look at that.
Your first flat. Perfect.
Okay.
Well, first we have to put air. So we have the pump on the valve. Now I need
Okay.
you guys to help me give
Here,
a lot
I'll
of
hold
pumps.
it down.
It needs, I say, 5 more pumps. Right now
Oh
it's
my
at 45.
gosh. Okay.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, check the number.
It's actually at 50. Perfect.
Perfect! Yay! Once we have the proper amount of air, we put the wheel back on the bike. Mr. Diego, would you please talk to us about the parts of a bike?
Absolutely. The most important part of the bicycle is what holds everything together. That's what this piece here is.
Frame.
The frame, exactly.
Can you find the
got it.
frame on your bike?
Awesome,
Great
guys.
job.
Very good. The next part is the,
Handlebar.
you got it. The handlebar comes in different shapes. It helps you steer the bicycle, but it's also very important.
Where's your handlebars? That's right.
Great job, guys. Next, what gets the bicycle moving is this piece here.
It's the cream.
You got it.
See it?
Where's the crank on your bike?
That's right. It's a small circle. Can you find it on your bike?
Yeah.
That's it.
What moves the crank and the wheels together is this piece. What is this called?
Chain.
The chain, you got it.
Where's your chain?
Right there.
What's next? So I said the crank and the chain, they move the what?
Wheels.
Where are your wheels? Where's your front wheel? You got it. That's right.
Where's your rear wheel?
Right
Aha, you got it right.
One last part, Where do you sit on the bicycle?
And what's the name? Another name for saddle?
Seat.
Seat.
Very good,
Good
guys.
job. We are going to play a shape game. I spy with my little eyes something round. The wheels. What's another word for round? What shape is that? A circle. And how many sides does this circle have? No sides. That's really good. Okay, now you play I Spy.
Line.
You spy a triangle. Can you find a triangle?
Show us all the sides to the triangle.
3 sides. And what in a bicycle, what are those 3 sides all together? It's a frame. What shape do you I Spy? A circle. Did we find circles? Look around the room. Do you see some other circles? A lot of circles. You are good shape finders. Hooray for you. Give me 5. Good job. Yeah. Are you ready to go out and ride a bike? Let's go.
Are we ready to ride?
Yes.
Awesome. Just one quick thing before we head out, we have to make sure that we're safe.
Okay.
The most important thing is wearing your helmets. Always check if your tires have good pressure, and always make sure your brakes are working good, and always make sure you stick with an adult. You don't want to ride by yourself. I think we're ready.
Okay, we're going to have a parade.
Let's go on our parade
All right,
ride.
we're having a bicycle parade around the block. To ride a bike, you need balance and control. You balance your bike by making your weight feel the same on both sides of the seat. Pedal with both your feet and steer with your handlebars. It's hard at first, but with practice you get better, and you'll find that riding a bike is a lot of fun. Thank you so much for telling
Thank you,
us
Ms.
all
Welcome.
about bicycles. We
Thank you
really
for coming.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you
We had a lot of fun today. Thank you for
Us
coming.
too. Give them a thumbs up.